Hi guys and gals, I'm just on today to show you what we're up to for April 8th. Once again, it's found here on the calendar. We are going to be working on the vector symbol assignment, but essentially we're going to be in Vector and I think working on the last lesson, Workspace Tools. This is great for building shapes and arranging things top to bottom, so it's a very essential video. But remember, 25 minutes guys and gals, 25 minutes. So in here I'm going to go into Vector just to get to this lesson. We're going to go into here to where it says My Profile, if you're already logged in. Mine held it, so I was just wondering if you guys kind of do. Once you click this, get your profile. As you can see, mine's a little bit slow this morning. And then you have your options of things you've started so far. I got a few of them because of things I've done. I think you guys will have this automatically, and then whatever you're working on right now, if you've started anything. Now, coming in here, I'm going to open mine up. And after I open it, to continue working on my lesson, it's up here in the eye, Lessons, and then we're going to Workspace Tools. Now, the Workspace Tools video, you've done a lot of these so far, so you guys can try to start drawing your shapes in Vector if you have time, or if you're enjoying the program, have a good time doing that. Other than that, on start of next week, I think it's Tuesday, we will start going through and actually doing the assignment where we're actually making our shapes. Now, Reed, please don't play that right now. My son's playing with his toy in the background, so it's really loud. Sorry, I said so. Hey, Reed, don't do that. Thank you. Now I tipped it over. He's mad at me. Anyway, back over here to Schoology. Could everyone please answer the how did the first week go? It's just like a little, I guess, opinion that I'd like to have you have. Give me some frustrations, some positive experiences. At the same time, we'll have one next week for the second week. So just if you haven't done that yet, stop in, drop a message there. Read. Hey, have a good day, everybody.